and this is just going to be a quick video today. I installed the rod guards by ZL1 Addons. They were a little hard, but at the same time, like, not too hard to install. I didn't drill a hole right there because it's just too hard. So, you know, I put them in there. You know, if they're gonna stay, they're gonna stay. It was a little hard to do, I'm not gonna lie, actually. But maybe, you know, I just didn't know how to really do it that good. But let me know how they look below in the comments. So this will help with a lot of rock chips and stuff like that. It might not stop at 100%, but at least it'll stop at 50%. So let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, share, subscribe.